Tenant states, can you reinstall my dishwasher? This tenant, when they moved in, they brought their own dishwasher with them, and they stored this one out in the garage. Now that they're moving out, they took the dishwasher with them, and they're ready to have their old one reinstalled. This one's all hooked up properly, ready to go. On to the next one.